Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. It has been a long time since I have personally sat down in front of the camera and filmed. I've missed it. I have so missed you guys, and I'm super excited to bring you a Dollar Tree haul today. By the way, if you're new here, my name's Kristen. I'm totally obsessed with decorating, DIYing, shopping. I have a little bit of a problem, and I always like to share what I buy with you guys. So if you're into that, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below and the bell notification so you get the notification for all of my new videos. And with all of that out of the way, I cannot wait to share with you guys this spring stuff. I'm excited for spring. It's so weird. I am not a spring or summer person, but I am very excited for spring. I think this polar vortex has got me like over winter 100%. So I was very excited to see this new spring decor in Dollar Tree. So the first things that I have to share with you are these adorable little cartons of eggs. They're just plastic and they're speckled. They're really pretty, semi-vibrant pastel colors. Not too bright though. Just kind of like a spoiler alert. Pier 1 does have something so similar. There's 12 eggs like this, and they're selling for $10. So I am going to be making a high-end Dollar Tree dupes video for spring like I did for winter. You guys really liked that video and requested to see more of them, so I'm definitely going to do at least one every season, and you'll see these on that list. But if you're interested in that video, or you're excited for it, give me a thumbs up so I know that you really want to see it. But I just couldn't leave these behind. They'll be perfect for DIYs, putting as vase filler in your tiered trays, and they just look so darn cute just the way that they are. Possibly my favorite item of this entire haul, definitely my favorite. I saw these online on the Dollar Tree website and I was like, no. Dollar Tree is really going to give us something that good. There's no way, but it was on the website, and when I went into the store, I was hoping that I'd see these, and I was so happy when I did, and they are these adorable jute carrots. Oh my word. Okay, these jute carrots are going to be like the it decor for Easter this year, especially for Farmhouse, shabby chic, French country, that sort of a thing. I have already seen Pier 1 put these out, Kirkland's, and I'm sure all the other stores are to follow. These are going to be amazing little vase fillers, decor pieces. The DIY possibilities are seriously endless with these. I have like 3 or 4 already in my mind that I want to do with these like as soon as possible. So let me know if you're ready for Easter DIYs. I know you guys didn't get much from me for Valentine's Day, but I'm not super into Valentine's Day, but I'm feeling super enthusiastic about Easter. So if you're ready for the DIYs, let me know. I know it's super early, but you know, we start early on fall, we start early on Christmas, why not start early on Easter too? So I was super excited to see these. I actually got 3 packages, and I might get more for an idea that just popped into my head as I was talking about these. So, by the way, you guys, these bunnies are actually from Dollar Tree as well. I did get them last year, so hopefully they will bring them out again this year. But look how cute the carrots look with them. It is just the most adorable display. So if you snagged these bunnies last year, you should totally get the carrots too to go along with them. Like I said, endless possibilities. The next Easter item that I picked up are these really cute little bunny picks. They look like Peeps, they're glittery, and they have pom-pom tails. I really liked these, and they come in a few different colors. And by the way, I do have a lot of store footage to insert at the end of this video, so you'll see all the spring decor that's out that I didn't get and things like that. But I usually give my parents like either a lily plant or some sort of florals for Easter, and I usually make them a little Easter basket, and I just thought these would be cute to maybe put in a floral arrangement or in a plant or in an Easter basket. And I'm gonna have to find a place in my house for them too, because they're just so darn cute. Okay, so the next item I did take out of the packaging, and by the way, there's several different variations of this item. I thought I would be able to neatly put it back in the packaging so I could show you how it comes, but I wasn't able to. So it is a banner, and it does come hanging up, and it looks like this. And I was kind of shocked when I saw these. So here is, let me see if I can just hold a little bit of it up for you. It's relatively large, and I'm not wild about the lime green or lime yellow ribbon, but you can easily swap that out for some jute twine or any other color ribbon, but this is so large. It has really pretty floral print on it, and then every letter is outlined in gold glitter. So this is a very substantial, easy, and affordable way to make a big impact on your spring and Easter decorating, or if you're gonna have a party. I'm thinking about having a spring brunch, so I wanted to get something like this. I usually put it banners like this behind my kitchen table, and I'll set like all of the food kind of buffet style on the table, and it's just a really easy, cute way to decorate. So I thought that was really cute, and there's a bunch of other variations of it that you'll see at the end of the video. Okay, you guys, I have to pause the video and show you this. So I have welcome out here, and there should be an E after the M, but there is no E. It just goes straight into the S for spring. So I don't know if that will be the case with all of them, but do be aware of that before you buy this particular one. Okay, so these next items are some of the best that I have ever seen from Dollar Tree. They have some new socks, and these are some of the best, like I said, socks that I've seen, women's socks at least, from Dollar Tree. The colors are really vibrant. The imaging is super clear. All the socks are really cute and really funny, and they feel to be of decent quality, maybe a little bit thicker or a little bit softer than usual. So the first one that I have is this pair here with the cute desserts. I'm not personally eating desserts right now because I'm eating keto or super low carb, but if I can't eat dessert, I'm gonna wear them on my feet, and these are just so cute, and these would make really amazing like Easter basket stuffers, if you will. The next one that I have is this pair with it looks like Starbucks coffee cups on it. Really cute, love the color of pink. I love that they're ankle socks. I personally prefer ankle socks. I won't wear anything but ankle socks with like my tennis shoes. So I am always on the hunt for some at Dollar Tree so that I can get them at an affordable price. But I did pick up a couple pairs that are like the longer length, the tube sock length, and it's still winter here. It will be for quite a while, so I will wear these with my boots and it'll be just fine. But this pair, the cashier was like, oh my God, that's hilarious. And I'm like, yes, like you guys have the best socks right now. So they say Frap Queen on the Frappuccino. I want them to come out with a pair that says Nap Queen, because that is just me to a T. But the color is really cute. It's like a mint color with some pink and gray. And I mean, come on, if you have teenage girls, they will love these. I mean, at least I would. And I would put them aside for Easter baskets or little gifts, whatever. And then my personal favorite pair, I actually laughed out loud at the store when I saw these. I was like, these are just amazing, and I would pay way more for these. It is this gray pair with the avocado, and the avocado is running, and he has like a little sweatband on, and it says Avocardio. Let that sink in. Give yourself a moment. Yes, like these are the funniest socks I've ever seen at Dollar Tree. Maybe I'm just like super corny and I'm like, yes, that's hilarious, but I just love these. I really hope that they keep coming out with amazing women's socks like this, because I feel like the men's socks are always so much better than the women's, but I am just super impressed with all of these. Okay, so I just have one kitchen item, and it is this adorable tea towel. They have so many cute tea towels. I'll insert footage at the end of all of the other ones, and they're all super witty and funny, just like this one is. So it says, "I'm sorry for what I said when I was hungry." That is so me. And the colors are just really neutral. The imaging is super simple. This looks like it came from Home Goods or somewhere more expensive. It definitely looks like more than $1. And these are more so just for decor for me. Tea towels are, because you can't really do much with a tea towel. So I don't want to spend a whole lot more than $1, and I had to take this one home with me. Just a couple boring items. I cannot find a pen or a pencil to save my life in this house. So I picked up a couple from Dollar Tree. I was looking for brand name pens, but didn't see any at my Dollar Tree. So hopefully these are okay. They are the Clip Clicks by the Ink brand, which is a Dollar Tree brand, and you get 8 of them. But I did happen to find these brand name pencils. These are by Papermate. They are mechanical pencils, but they're in the shape of like a real pencil, like a wooden pencil. And it says that there is less lead breakage with these. I don't really care. I just wanted pencils that I knew were going to work, so I just grabbed whatever was brand name. But it says that they're good for standardized testing. So if you like to stock up early for your kids, like school supplies, these are at Dollar Tree. I know the end of the year for you parents is going to be here before you know it. I remember being in school and feeling like, you know, February was so far away from the end of the year, but it just goes by like that. It's like the holidays, so it never hurts to stock up on things like this. And the last 2 items are really, really cute. They're not new, or maybe you guys haven't seen them. I'm sure you have. I've seen these for quite a while at my store and admired them from afar, but never really had like a need for them. But I can't find any paper in my house, and I ran out of note cards as well. So I picked up this little like clipboard set with the paper pad in it. It has this really pretty floral design on it, and to me this looks very much like spring, but I think I started to see this like towards the end of the fall or maybe at the beginning of winter. But I went ahead and picked that up, and then I picked up the matching note cards, which have the floral deer on it with the shiplap background. These are so cute, and Target hasn't really been putting out their sets of note cards, or at least my store hasn't, and I used to always get mine there. So I was really excited that Dollar Tree put out something just as cute as Target, so that I have some note cards to send out as for thank yous and things like that. So I went ahead and got 1 pack of these. And that's it for my haul. I'm looking at the time, and this is kind of a long video. I hope you guys don't mind. Stick around for the footage at the end if you're interested. There was a lot of good stuff in the store that I didn't personally need, and I know I'm gonna get some questions about my shirt and my necklace. A lot of you guys have asked me if I will make like fashion videos. Maybe in the spring I will. I'm on a weight loss journey right now. Like, I've been on 500 weight loss journeys, but I'm starting to feel a little bit more comfortable and more excited about getting up and putting something cute on. So maybe if you guys are interested, I will do that closer to warmer weather. But this t-shirt is from Amazon. I'll have it linked below. And this necklace was a gift. It's from Anthropologie, but it's not too expensive as far as Anthropologie goes, so I'll have that linked. And if you guys aren't following me on Instagram, I do have shoppable posts now. So if you ever see anything on my Instagram that you like, a lot of the times you can shop it directly from Instagram. So I'll put my Instagram name across the screen, and I'll have it linked below as well. Thank you for spending some time with me. Thank you for sticking with me through my kind of dry period that I've been going through for the past month or so. I so appreciate it. I love you guys. I miss you guys, and I will catch you in a future video. Bye. scarves. This one is really pretty. My goodness. They also have just blue and black. There's this pattern too. This is like a navy blue. Here's a floral, and then this is just kind of like squares. We have hats. Roll with it. What's shaken? I'm sorry for what I said when I was hungry. Okay, yes. I really like you. Don't flip out. Are there any more? Just beat it. They're so cute. This would be so stinking cute for a nursery. There's two sides, you put them together, and it says, "Hello World."